Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the ECOVACS DEEBOT N79S. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd give you guys just kind of my 2 cents, just kind of based on my experience, having had mine for about, a little over a year now, let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too, I actually found a pretty good deal on this, and I'll put a link below to that in the description, so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So a year later, how does this thing work? Well, in short, it works great. Pretty much as good as day one. It's maybe just a slightly bit louder than it used to be, although it's still very quiet. But it still runs like a champ. The battery life is, I wouldn't say as good as day one. I would say about 90% as good as day one. But that's kind of the nature of lithium-ion batteries, and actually that's pretty good retention for 1 year of use. And for the last year, I've been using this twice a week to vacuum my entire house. I'll tell you right off the get-go, if you don't have a robot vacuum, you need to get one of these things like yesterday. It is so handy to have. It's one of those things that once you get it, you can like never live without it anymore. I could never go back to having to vacuum my house again. I mean, just not having to vacuum is huge. It's like, how did people live without washing machines before this? I don't know. It's the same kind of thing. But this DEEBOT N79S works really, really good. It is a random clean, but I found that it actually does clean very good. The algorithm that they programmed it with or whatever works really good. It does get pretty much everywhere. There's very rarely you see a spot that isn't done. And you really can't tell if it per se, you can kind of see where it goes, but I watched it for a while many times and it does get everywhere. One thing that is nice about this one too is it does work with your connected devices. You can use it with the Google Assistant or the Echo Dot, and you can control it from anywhere too. So what's nice is like if you're at work or something and you're going to invite somebody over for dinner or whatever, you can dial right into your app, tell it to vacuum the whole house and be ready for you when you get home, which is really handy. Runtime is about a little under 2 hours. My house is about 1,700 square feet, and it'll do the entire house on one charge. No problem. Works great on tile and wood floors as well. And it's nice and low profile too. It gets under furniture very easily, where I tested out some other ones that had trouble getting under my couches. This one does get under those very, very easily. But yeah, works really good. Highly recommend it. Still going strong after a year, and I absolutely love this thing. One of the greatest purchases, honestly, that I've ever made in my life. So anyway, if you have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.